This is David Talbot. I'm CTO at WorkMovr, and let me show you what we do with international language. Okay, so on our header here, we have a drop down that has language selections here. So we're looking here at the data page you want to have in the other language, and you drop down here, maybe select Korean, for instance. And so here's the data page, the original data page in English. You've selected Korean, and it redisplays the data page with the labels in Korean. Okay. Now, how does that work? Well, in static Caspio, localization requires a duplicated data page for each national language. This gives a lot of extra data pages, which is not so cost effective, and means there's a lot of ongoing software maintenance effort here. What we have is a hidden component we call the Translator, which scans a data page for labels. For the data page, WorkMovr uses a JavaScript component to substitute labels in the target language. So if you requested a certain national language, the translator looks up each language for that, each label for that language in a cached text library and displays the translated label. Okay? And we can retrofit this to any data page with just one line of JavaScript linking to an app parameter. So the translator is in an app parameter. And then the text library is a standalone component that can be copied into your target application. And so here's an example of the phrase library here, generic element data maintenance here, and here in all the different languages, including the right to left languages. Okay? And here we control which languages are supported in channel constants. So I think this is a very easy, cost-effective way to do language translation and real simple to do. You just add in that one line of JavaScript, and then the translator is active. So thanks very much.